one fucking hood. Bitch ass niggas see me throw all on my hood. Then I got them bitches dirty as shit on my hood. They gon' wash my car when they suck my wood. Hood nigga, that's who I be. But I moved up to Sharon Hill, I'm getting money. Yeah, you see me with bitches, at least they like 3. And I got these shining diamonds, they like yellow. And then they spittin', it's like frozen piss. It's got this little shit, oh, here go my bitch, hold on. Hey baby, what you doing? If you want pursuing, and it's you that I'm trying to be screwing. Look, I'ma holler at you a little later, but see this bitch right here, I'm about to bathe the neighbor. Go get her some fresh shoes, cause the shit I'm kinda used. She had ponies, but they grown horses. God damn, they grown horses. Them bitches is a stallion. They used to be them horses, but I'ma get at you later, cause I'ma holler at this bitch, and I'ma have her sucking all on my dick after you licking my shit. God damn. If my phone cut off, oh, there it is. Look, baby girl, I'm just going up the top of the dome, and then I'm blowing you home, and then standing right here, yelling your stone. Spit in my mouth is bubbling like foam. I'm trying to rap, but swallow at the same time. No homo, yeah, I kinda made that shit rhyme. I'm on the time, I just smoked the dime of that hey shit. Yeah, I think it was the lime. No, was it the yellow? No, it's kinda mixed, like that Sprite shit. Like that Sprite shit. I'm on that right shit, call Lisa tonight shit. Then I'ma call Misa tonight shit. Not the black one, but the yellow little bitch. Her mom was that little cross-eyed bitch. From the school, the security guard, but I think they call her Brooks. Her last name start with the R. Wait, that's her last. I switched that shit around. First name start with the R, but you know what's going down. This bear right here, Joey, you might run to town. Then you go uptown, my nigga 50, hold it down. He booked right now. He booked right now.
He got out.
Jail, but he got them niggas shook right now.
He got out.
My nigga free. You know what it's gonna be? Fuck up them niggas up in ABB, and I fuck up them niggas if you fuck with me. JTN Showtime, them niggas they roll with me. That's my squad. We all ride hard right now. Damn, I'm hot. Don't talk no shit about my little ass braids. I don't give a fuck 'cause they look better than wigs.